Today, we'll talk about how to use our best momentum strategy with our best indicator during tough market days. Trading is not easy and it will never be. There are times that we have to decide and accept the reality. Let's have a great talk now. Let's have a little chat about this gas trade. It was a simple masterclass 3-layout system trade. Once you get the process over and over, things will be much easier to understand and implement it. Okay, as usual, we will start with the top-down analysis. From the weekly chart, what do I see here? A nice swing failure pattern followed by a weak market structure break. This is your initial and the most simple bullish sign for the high time frames. Then the price pulls back to this weekly imbalance and boosts itself up, probably targeting this imbalance in the future. However, as day traders and scalpers, we have more concerns about much closer targets like this previous weekly high right here. This is a nice weekly bullish bias. In the daily chart, we can notice this price was using this daily imbalance as well to boost itself up. It made a nice price switch on the daily level. So, weekly and daily charts tell me that this coin has more bullish interest compared to bearish interest. Okay, how about the momentum layout? In the momentum chart, I have noticed these early imbalance areas and I marked to check them later for possible trade opportunities. If you follow me on Twitter, I actually tweeted this and told you about watching these areas. So, you need to follow me on Twitter and watch the YouTube videos regularly because I give small hints for the future. We will observe the entry with 5 and 1 minute time frames. In this 5-minute chart, I have to show you something first. So this yellow point area was our regular momentum area, which is coming from the momentum layout. As you can see, the early journey of hunting the previous week high started right at this point. This yellow point where I started to seek the entry. I need you to notice this magnificent SR Philip area. Please seek for SR Philip zones all the time. These are the most basic price actions for your trades. Your strategy, it does not matter. SR Philip areas make every strategy much stronger. You can use it with RSI, Mete, trend lines, and just add the SR Philips to increase your win rates. Now, let's take a closer look at this entry within 1 minute time frame. As you can see, the structure breaks, pulls back, and breaks again. I missed the first entry, but I'm waiting for the break of structure pullback. Right here, we have the combo of imbalance, order block, and the discount area which comes from the premium and discount zones. This is a nice plus 1.5 hour trade, a bit shaky, but it delivered well at the end. As you can see, we are not getting rich here. We are not buying fancy cars with every trade. We are not driving Lamborghinis. We just make extra cash for the house. That's it. This is what trading for. Makes extra bucks. This is how I see trading and it will never change. Remember, this is a business of 90% traders keep losing the money. Okay, folks, another great educational video ends here. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.